Hi, welcome back to Thunder and Hale. I'm your host, Sophia Hale. Let's go take a look at this week's weather.
Thunder and Hale with Sophia Hale.
Today we're going to reach a high of 68 degrees and a low of 41 degrees. Partly cloudy skies and no rain today. Tomorrow we'll get to our hottest point of the week with a 71 degree high and a low of 46 degrees. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is when we really see the temperature start to drop. We'll be reaching a low of 35 degrees on Wednesday and a low of 28 degrees Thursday and Friday. So make sure to dress warm towards the end of the week. There's also going to be a low chance of rain on Thursday. Beside that, that's pretty much all for this week. I'll see you next week, Eagles.